Today's video is an exciting one because I'm going to be decorating my home for spring and Easter. It has to be right up there, one of my favorite seasons, coming out of winter and the cold and the snow that we've had up north. It's just sort of like a reset or refresh, and the colors and the sunshine, it's just all those things mixed in one. Let me know in the comments below if you guys feel the same. I'm going to be incorporating a few new pieces into some decor that I've had already. So I'll be showing you all the new stuff that I got, and I'll be decorating my entryway table as well as my tiered tray. If you know me, you know that I love decorating a tiered tray for every season. It's just something I really like to do. This video, big thumbs up. Please comment down below if you have already decorated your home for spring, and also don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future uploads. And let's get started. Okay guys, so this is everything that I got, all my decor for Easter. Well, some of it is for my tiered tray, and then the rest I'm just going to use to like decorate a little bit around the house, and use some also from my entryway table. So I'm just going to go through quick and show you everything here. I kind of tried to group them in what stores. So these two little bunnies are from Michael's. I thought they were super cute. I think I'm going to put this in my tiered tray. This little birdie's nest is from Michael's as well. Figured it would just look cute, just like laying in there. This little plant is also from Michael's. It was super cheap. I think it was under $5. And I just am loving the pops of greenery. This is also from Michael's. It's just a little sign that says Happy Easter. Now I'm gonna start with TJ Maxx. So I have to show you my favorite bunny. He was $9.99, and I saw him, and they also had a smaller size, but I thought he was super cute. And it's a little unique. I haven't really seen many this big with the little flowers on his back. And then I got this little guy from TJ Maxx. This was like $7.99, but he's so cute with a little bow. And also from TJ Maxx, I just picked up this bag of like wooden Easter egg filler. I figured I could sort of fill them in for my tiered tray. This is from Home Goods. It's just a little candle that I saw as soon as I walked in the front. You just lift it up and there's a little candle inside. This is from TJ Maxx. A little bowl that says jelly beans on it. These were actually from the Dollar Tree. They came in a pack, and I figured I could definitely do something with these. This cup is also from Michael's. It just says Honey Bunny on it, and it's Rae Dunn. It was $5.99, and on that side is a little cute bunny. These I got from the Target dollar spot. They were $1 each. This candle is also from Home Goods. It was $9.99, but it is Rae Dunn. It says Happy Easter. I thought it would look cute in my tiered tray, and it smells so good. Oh, it's Gardenia Bloom. This candle is from Target. I just love the color. It's very spring-like, and it just smells so delicious. It's from Opal House. It's pineapple bamboo leaf. So if you see this, pick it up. If you like that sort of smell, it smells really, really nice. And I just figured I can put it somewhere. I picked this up at Michael's, this little stand. It was $7.99. And then back here, I had this greenery from Michael's, and I figured I can just fill it in somewhere on my tiered tray, maybe in this little bucket that I found from the Target dollar spot with the little leaves on it. I thought that was super cute. And we have this little bunny. I believe he is from, oh, it's $7.99, and I believe this one is from Michael's, if I'm not mistaken. This is actually from last year from Target, but I love this piece. I usually put it on my entryway table. And then I have this garland from Target above, like where you walk in the entryway. So I think I had this up there last year, but I did also pick this up. This is super cute, and it's also a garland. It's really soft, and this was $14.99. I think I showed you guys everything. This egg is also from Target. I had it last year. I almost forgot to show you guys. Look how cute. These are Rae Dunn, and they're little mini spatulas for Easter, and they were only $5.99 from Home Goods. And there is my tiered tray. I love the galvanized look. I think that is it for the decor. Let's get started with this tiered tray. So here's how my tier tray turned out. I put some of those wooden egg fillers on each side just to give it a little more pop of color. I have my little bunnies in the front. I put the greenery for that pop of green. I was able to get my Rae Dunn mug with the cute little bunny spatulas back there. I have my little white bunny back there. And then on the top, I put this bird's nest on top of it, and then I have this little plant, and then this cute little grass bunny from TJ Maxx, again putting some wooden eggs each side just to give it that little extra pop, and then these 2 carrot fillers on each side, this Happy Easter sign back there. These 2 signs I got from Michael's, Hello Spring and Easter Blessings, which I love. I think I'm gonna put him on my entryway table, so I'll be decorating that next. I'm really happy with the way it turned out. Let's jump into the entryway table. Okay guys, so as I mentioned, I always decorate the hallway entrance of my house, and I just put some garland, whatever season it is. In this case, I'm using the pom-pom garland from Michael's, and I think it looks super cute with all the different colors. And now I'm just going to clean off my entryway table so I can go ahead and start to decorate it. So I went ahead and placed these 2 Easter signs on each side, and I put that green bunny right in the middle, and I have this garland of little bunnies that I'm going to put across, but before that I went ahead and cleaned off the bottom shelves of the table. So with the exception of that green bunny on the top shelf and those 2 signs, I pretty much was able to reuse what I had from last year. And now I'm just going to go ahead and stick on this cute little bunny banner. So I hope that you guys liked this video. I hope I was able to inspire you in some way. Please don't forget to give this video a big like and subscribe so you don't miss any future videos. And I will see you guys again real soon in my next video.